Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am giving the area of a triangle in terms of trigonometric function. This is here. Area of a triangle. Consider a triangle ABC. This side is denoted by small letter A, this side by small letter B, and this side is small letter C. Then area of this triangle ABC can be found by half into base into altitude of triangle ABC. This is the altitude. Altitude is drawn from B to side AC. Altitude means AC at D. This is 90 degrees and length of BD is H. Then this formula can be written as 1 by 2 into B into H. Now consider the triangle ABD, which is a right angled triangle at D. So find sine A. Sine A equals opposite side length BD by hypotenuse C. So we get BD by AB or H by C. Sine A equals H by C. So H equals C into sine A. So substitute the value of C into sine A in place of H. Then you get half into B into C sine A, or rearranging half A equals half BC sine A. Similarly, we can prove for other angles, taking sine B and sine C as the area of the triangle as A equals half AC sine B or A equals half AB sine C. These three formulas can be used to find the area of this triangle. That's all about area of the triangle. Thank you.